Hey everybody, Tom Berry here, and today's video is entitled Why the Future of Real Estate Investing is Commercial Property. Now, I mean it differently than what the title would imply. I don't mean that the market is shifting in such a way that the future is only going to be available for commercial real estate investors. What I mean is real estate investors should be looking at their future being commercial real estate investment. Now, why do I say that? Look, we've all heard the numbers, we've all heard the stories that most of the wealthy people get wealthy through real estate. Here's the follow-up to that, or the subheading that most people don't understand or hear. And that is that most of those wealthy people didn't get there with single-family homes. It's just a fact. But it's a fact that we don't talk about in the real estate investing community. And I travel all over the country. I go to RIA groups all over the country. And everybody talks about, and everybody teaches, and everybody goes to learn about single-family investing. Very few ever graduate from there to commercial. Well, why is that? Commercial is an opportunity to do a lot bigger deals, usually a lot better numbers, and certainly get a lot more capital working if you're a capital investor. So why are people afraid to jump from the single family side to the commercial side? And that's what I want to talk about today. Look, I started in single family just like everybody else, and for 3 years that's all we did was single family. But in that 36th month of our full-time real estate investing career, we jumped into commercial. Now, when I say jump, it wasn't a big jump. We bought 2 fiveplexes that month. December 2010, we bought 2 fiveplexes, which to us was a huge jump, right? Because we had never owned anything that had more than 1 unit in it. And from there, a few months later, we bought a 36-unit apartment complex. And a few months later, we bought a 72-unit and a 9-unit on the same day. Those were jumps, but they weren't huge jumps, right? We had done this, we saw that it wasn't so scary, so now we could jump to the next step. We didn't just immediately come in and start buying office buildings or strip centers or shopping centers or malls, though that's the type of thing that we look at today. So I want to open some people's minds, whether you're a capital investor or you're an actual out there on the street active real estate investor, think about commercial real estate as opposed to just single family, because the numbers are larger. Here's the other beauty that I found when we moved into commercial back in 2010. And we've been doing commercial for over a decade. There are a lot fewer people doing it. You active investors that are out there buying properties right now, you know how hard it has been for the last 4 years, 5 years to get a good deal on a property because there's so many people bidding those properties up. Now, we're not quite in that territory anymore, and I think going into 2023, you're going to have a good buying opportunity again like we had back in the day. But it doesn't matter what market, it doesn't matter up or down, there are a lot fewer people working the commercial side. So educate yourself. And I always have a rule, I never jump into an asset class that I haven't educated myself for at least 12 months on. Educate yourself for at least a year, and then take that leap and get yourself into commercial. Once you do, you'll probably not go back. Hopefully that was helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next video.